Hi, I'm Dr. Cheryl Fraser, and welcome to the first of 5 video love bites where I'm talking about the top 5 love and sex problems and what you can do about them. The first one is, we don't know where to start. Dr. Cheryl, we don't know where to start. We're not that happy. We're disconnected. We're kind of in love, but not anymore. We've fallen out of love. Don't really want to divorce or break up. We occasionally think it'd be nice to fall in love with someone else. What do we do to get back to where we used to be? So I'm going to call that, needing to reboot your romance. And what you need to do is to learn the building blocks that predict a great relationship. We kind of have them accidentally in the beginning. When we're falling in love, we have a lot of sexual passion, usually. That's one of the building blocks. We also have a lot of interest in each other. We're excited to see each other. We plan fun events, fun dates. We do sweet things to make each other feel super special and important. That's another one of the building blocks. And the third building block is communicating. In the beginning, we don't argue very much. We share ideas, hopes and dreams. We listen to each other. We support each other. We're curious. And we speak kindly and well to each other. Now, how you doing with that now? Most couples have repeated ongoing arguments. They argue a lot about certain topics over and over again. The top 3 topics couples tend to argue about, according to research: your kids, your finances, and your sex life. Do those sound familiar? So the question is, we don't know where to start. What do? We want to be happier. How do we get back to the love we used to have? The answer is you need to study these 3 building blocks of great relationship, what I call the 3 keys to passion. Intimacy is the communication, conflict resolution, learning how to fight fair. What I call thrill is that excitement, romance, specialness, treating each other great. When's the last time you took your sweetheart on a spontaneous date and lit them up? How did you celebrate your sweetheart's birthday this year? Did you make a fuss, or did you let it just kind of slide on by? That's the second key. And the third key is sensuality. Everything to do with sex, romance, eroticism, from crazy wild lovemaking to simply making love, because 30 to 40% of you, because this is true of all couples, aren't making love at all. You're in what is clinically defined as a sexless marriage. That means you make love 6 or fewer times a year. So there's your first of these 5 love bites. They are all about the top 5 pain points, the questions about sex and love that couples just like you bring to couples therapists just like me, and certainly what the couples I work with in my immersion program work with all the time. So to review them: intimacy, communication, conflict resolution. We got to help you do better on that. I'm going to bring you a video on that next one up. Then we're going to work on thrill, excitement, romance, specialness. Quit being boring and bored with your partner. And then we're going to look at the inside of the bedroom, what's happening or not happening, how you can jumpstart a dead sex life, how you can have a more interesting sex life, how to ask for what you want between the sheets, and more. So what do? You learn. You train like anything else. What do we do to get fit? What do we do to be better at our career? What do we do to learn how to renovate our own bathroom? You train, you learn, you turn to experts, you practice, you make some mistakes, you learn how to fix them, and you begin again. That's what we're doing in this special 5-part series, the top questions in love and sex. You ask me and I answer them for you. I'll see you next time. If you know someone else who maybe could use a little bit of a renovation, not just of their bathroom, but of their love life, please send this along. They can certainly join the LoveByte list. Free, actionable, science-based tips and tools and techniques delivered to your inbox every Tuesday. I'm Dr. Cheryl Fraser. Bye for now.